Okay, hi Roy. This is my quick demo of how to split things. First of all, let's put down a cone. There is a cone. Now let's assume I want to cut that 10 millimeters from the bottom. So that would be 10 millimeters from the base. Now I need to have a line 10 millimeters from the flat plane on which the cone is sitting. So I'm going to put something behind the cone to use as a projection, a projector screen. It doesn't need to be larger than the cone. It just needs to be something on which I can draw. And now I want to draw something which is exactly 10 millimeters from the base of the cone. This now is something that I need to know how to do. Actually, I'm going to stretch the side of this cone and highlight that face, press U to extrude it. I'm pressing the U key on the keyboard. I'm setting the snap to 10. That's what that's set to there, linear snap. Stretching it along here somewhere, just so that it's bigger than the view of the cone, and I'm going to look at the cone from the front. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to draw a line from here which goes up and along 10 millimeters from the base. So I'm going to bring up the poly line, which enables me to draw the sketch that I require. So it's asking me where I want to draw first of all. I'm going to zoom in. I'm pressing the control key on the keyboard and I'm using the scroll wheel on my mouse. I know I want to write on here. Click on the first point. How far do I want to go? I want to go 10 millimeters upwards. There you go. I've got 10 millimeters upwards. I'm going to click. That's the first point. I'm going to go horizontally along 30 millimeters along to the right, and if you look down the bottom of the screen you'll see that's 90 degrees angle that it's going at, so that is now horizontal. I'm going to press click and I'm going to the tick to finish the sketch. Now you will see I have some lines here. That is a sketch. I've drawn them on this solid here. The solid's not important to us. The cone is important and the sketch is important. Now we can do the split. And we're going to go to the split function. You click on that body to split button and select the body that you want to split. Now you click on the splitting entity and you split on the line, and you see it's make a plane. Now this section of this vertical section of the line doesn't intersect the cone. That's only there because I needed to make a measurement to know how far up the line should go. You can ignore that. But now that we have this thing ready to go, all I have to do is to press the return key on my keyboard. And now we have two sections to this cone, the top section and the bottom section. The top section is one of Madonna's titties, and the bottom section is not. So that's the first way of splitting a cone. Now let's do a second way of splitting a cone. The second way, if for example you wanted to achieve this part, is not to split it with a line, but you may choose to subtract something from the top, leaving just the bottom part. And I would do that with a box. I would put a box down and then move it. So it's right over the cone. Now, if I now subtract that from the cone, it'll chop off the top bit. I'm going to do subtract. So that's this box there. Subtract. First, you click on the thing that you wish to keep. Then you click on the thing that you want to subtract from it. Then you press enter. That is the second way of making your thingy. This way, we have not got a Madonna titty. Okay, that's my very brief Madonna titty video. Sorry, Roy. Okay, cheers.